Hello, my name is Supali. I'm from India. I'm a software developer and I have been learning English with Cambly for more than a year. I joined this platform to improve my IELTS score, to fulfill my dream of settling in abroad. And I'm so elated to share that I have improved my score drastically. Though I love everything about Cambly, but the thing I admire the most is, of course, the availability of tutors and the way they assist you. Tutors on Cambly know what are the actual areas to be improved. I received assistance in my speaking as well as my writing and reading. So I must say this is the best platform to improve English skills in general. I'm so thankful to Cambly to provide such an amazing platform.